What's up everybody, River Caraba here, the Analytics Guy, coming back at you with another video today. Today's going to be a short one, but a really powerful one. Something that each and every one of us do here on YouTube after publishing a video is do a series of steps. Sometimes it's sharing on other platforms, could be snugging up different forms of tags or different things that we want to do. Probably should be doing that before you post it, but anyway, there's some things and changes that we do. One of the things that I have found that is super successful at building community, which is one of the more powerful things that you can do about getting people to come back to your videos, is commenting. Commenting on those return comments once you publish the video. So here's just an idea, okay? Here's the scenario. You're getting ready to publish a video, okay? You have a series of comments that people have been leaving on your other videos when you just living your life, doing other things other than YouTube. So let's say you don't respond to all of your comments in real time. I definitely encourage that, especially if that's your workflow, just returning those comments as they come in. But let's say you have a pile of them sitting there waiting for returns. You publish a video. If you heart a comment, okay, as a creator, or return a comment, it automatically shoots a notification to that person who left that comment. So let's think about this. Marketing or advertising or branding, all of those things are trying to push out signals to remind people that, like, hey, I exist and I am an option. So if, let's say you have 20 different comments from 20 different people that you needed to respond to on your other videos, maybe your last video, they all left those comments. When you publish your video, go back and return and reply those comments, because it's going to notify those people. And then if they go back to your channel, they'll see they have a new video to watch, or it could just be a reminder, kind of like branding, right? So when you see a toothpaste company put out an ad for toothpaste, they're not saying, hey, go buy toothpaste right now most of the time. But when you get to the aisle with the toothpaste and then you say, think about that brand company, if you're not brand loyal, you may choose them, right? Depending on the message they put out. Same concept here in general. You're putting out a message saying that, hey, I exist, remember, and I put out content that you like, or, you know, content that compelled you to comment, right? So you can maintain that dialogue. That's what I do. I do that on both of my channels to try to promote views, to try to get people to come back, and it's proven in my own experience to work. I'll have videos where I won't comment. I'll comment in real time as they come in, and then I'll wait on some of them. It is true that with the algorithm, allegedly, if you are returning comments, giving replies, you know, a handful or so, when a video shortly after it's posted, that helps YouTube decide whether it's going to promote your video. But if you're doing that later with the rest of the comments, it provides notifications to your subscribers, or at least the people that are commenting on your videos, that, hey, I exist. And 9 out of 10 times they will come back and watch that latest video that you have. I've got more kind of tips and tricks to help drive those view numbers shortly after you drop a video that we'll be talking about here. So be sure to subscribe, drop this video a like if you did like it. You can leave me any questions that you have in the comment section below. Let me know if you do this, or if you've never heard of this before. Give it a try. Let me know. If you don't feel comfortable leaving the comment section below, you can tweet me at YoAnalyticsGuy on Twitter, and we will see you in the next video.